Welcome to a time of pause. We face each day challenges in our workplace and in our personal lives, and our faith may be a source of guidance, strength, and renewal in the midst of times like these. The Psalms in the Hebrew Bible are human expressions of the celebration and joy that we feel, as well as reflections of the suffering we sometimes feel. A very popular psalm is Psalm 23. For today's pause, I will share with you a paraphrase of parts of 2 verses of Psalm 23. Please close your eyes and take a deep breath. Breathe in the fresh air. Hold the air inside you and then slowly release the breath. Now imagine a beautiful lake where you have visited. Listen to the sounds that you hear when you visit this place. Do you hear animals? Do you hear the water? Is it raining or is the sun shining? What time of day is it? Now imagine that there is a path that winds around this beautiful lake, and you begin to walk the path. Listen to the sounds of your feet touching the ground. Smell the air. Touch the nature that is surrounding you. Take in the beauty that you see. Hear the words of the psalm as you walk. The Holy One, the Spirit, leads you beside still waters. Imagine that you are being led. Imagine that you are being led by this same spiritual presence in every aspect of your life. The Holy One, the Spirit, leads you beside still waters. Just ahead of you is a place to sit. You decide to sit and rest. As you are sitting, you are facing the still waters, watching, listening, becoming a part of the nature surrounding you. Hear the words of the psalm as you sit there with the still waters before you. The Holy One, the Spirit, restores your soul. The Holy One, the Spirit, restores your soul. Let your gaze turn from the still waters before you to looking inside and tenderly letting the Spirit restore your soul from any fears or brokenness, any sadness that you may feel. Keep remembering that the Spirit restores your soul. Release all that is painful inside of you. Take a breathing breath and breathe in restoration and breathe out fear and brokenness. Keep breathing in restoration and breathing out the pain until you realize that the beauty of the still waters is now beauty in your soul. Continue walking the path and let your mind consider how you will carry this moment of communion with the Holy with you. Now walk toward your life in community with your family and with your friends. And know that in every setting and situation, you are sustained and led by the Spirit. Amen.